So, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little hesitant to go back in the garage because last time I was in there, like, Mur and Dan roasted me. Like, roasted me. So, like, I'm a little, I don't know. Like, I'm a little nervous, so I guess we'll see what happens. But Mur had, like, a fun little tool, and I want to go see it, so, like a steamer. Oh, that was a terrible sentence for you people.
Customer service, blah, blah, blah.
Mur, show me your tool.
Wow.
Whoa. And on that note,
$9.99 to continue.
Somebody actually asked if you had an OnlyFans.
what?
Good answer, Mark. Good answer.
No, your little steamer thing that I brought you water for.
Oh. Well, it's not going to actually do very much because it isn't heated up yet, but it's a little thing that produces steam.
So what are you...
I'm going to try and see if we can bring any life back to the inside of this thing. For the door panels and stuff like that.
What do you mean? Like,
Well,
just to, like, make it moist again?
Well,
Why are you laughing at that?
steam cleans things.
Oh.
And it's high temperature, like steam, so that and a brush and stuff, sometimes you can bring them back with that.
Oh.
So I thought, I'll try. Because he is paying fantastically large money.
Top dollar.
Yes. Especially since I've been bypassed for polishing anymore. All my work clearly is done, and what isn't you're going to do, so there you go.
What can I say? I've learned a new skill and I like it.
Well, that's fine.
That's
Good
fine.
to know.
Just fine.
Yeah?
Except I'm too short to do the roof.
Yes. Well, I'm too short to do the roof because he insists on having it off the ground. But soon this will come. Where's your little brush there, Moonface?
It's on the shelving on the other side. Bottom shelf above that motor, small block.
You know, a girl buys a guy a new creeper.
Yeah, what is that thing?
Does the guy use the new creeper? The answer is no. The guy doesn't use the new
Well, I'm glad
creeper.
this garage floor isn't going to rust.
Thanks, Mur.
Special rust preventative transmission fluid all over it.
Shut up, Mur.
Okay, here's the small block Chevy, so it's above the small block Chevy.
Are you struggling to find something in the extremely organized
it's-
garage?
No, it's exactly where you said it was going to be. So,
It's like not bad out here right now.
and then your spray, like Windex or cleaner or something, is that?
Probably hanging on that. It's right there by the broom.
Oh, okay.
There's a jug of Windex.
And I helped.
Oh,
There's actually another thing of cleaner there too. We bought for that sap and shit. I don't know if you want to use that.
well, we'll try this first. I just think something. Is this real simple green?
Oh yeah, that's simple green too.
That's the best stuff. And I
That's yeah, it needs to be mixed with water.
Why is Simple Green the best?
well, it just seems to work really good for a variety of things.
Oh.
Just change different strengths for what you want to do. So we'll add a little bit as an experiment to see if it works.
Well, I bought it because I wanted you to be happy.
Aww.
Never want me to be happy.
That's right. I don't care. I don't care at all.
He doesn't want anyone to be happy. Except for me.
I make your life fantastic.
You do make my life fantastic. I love every moment.
Gotta stay under here, I think. It's safe under here.
Is this where you live now?
Thinking about it.
What are you doing under here?
Hooking up the starter.
Ooh. That's exciting.
I may have oversold it.
Oh. So it's not exciting? It's super lame and boring?
It's not bad.
Well, I guess I'll leave you people alone.
You people?
Yep.
I don't think you're allowed to say that anymore.
I feel like I'm allowed to say it.
It's just working now, Dan.
And now for our teachable moment with Myrrh.
Well, better than it was, but not very good.
I feel like there's a lot of years of
I've already
schmuck.
done the door panel too, so. Did it wrong like you.
Yeah, but now I'm doing it, so.
Why don't you just polish the hood like the people want and bring it back to life? Because that's all it needs, is a quick polish.
Apparently.
Also, hey, if, Dan, can you paint the hood black? Well, I'm not gonna lie to you, Myrrh.
A little boring.
I did think that was gonna be a little more.
Exciting.
Yes, I did think it was gonna be much more exciting. I gotta turn this off. I got it. Don't make fun of my height.
I wouldn't make fun of your height. You don't have any. I know, your feet reach the ground. What more do you need, right?
Rude. I feel like this has become like the Myrrh and Danielle spin-off show. Like I feel like this is it. This is the new thing. Myrrh and Danielle in the garage. I'll have to think of a little jingle. But yeah, this is boring AF.
Sorry.
So, yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave it. Gonna leave it being boring.
Actually, the people left a bunch of good stuff on the comments. The Murrow start, you know?
Oh, yeah?
It needs magnets on the bottom, so you can magnet it to the fender, it won't fall. Actually, that's a pretty good idea.
People want to know where they can buy the Murrow-matic.
We're gonna start selling them.
We're gonna have to.
Well, you can have a little how to build one. That's what you need.
No, we're selling them.
You're selling them.
Myrrh, don't give it all away.
Patent pending.
And everybody wonders why all your shirts are ripped. That's the reason why.
Not that bad. Oh, I got both shirts.
Yeah. Oh man.
Whatever.
No, I got you.
This is a brand new shirt.
Not anymore.
Wore like twice. It's fun when you came out here.
What? How did you getting caught on the car have anything to do with me?
There she goes.
Because you were distracted by my beauty and amazingness.
Yeah.
All right. You guys seem like you're doing boring stuff.
Yep. That's right.
Okay. Well, that's gonna be it for me. We'll see you guys later. Bye.